Hello, and welcome to part 2 of my Law of Attraction Planner unboxing. If you missed the first part, you can catch it here. I will also be filming Plan With Me videos as well as a planner setup, so make sure that you don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know as soon as those are uploaded. I hope you enjoy the second part of the video, and be sure to stick to the end for a special gift. So once you get through here, create your life statement, and then strategy, skills, habits, and people. Skills I want to master to achieve my goals. So here's your skills and how and from whom can I learn these. Habits I want to change and learn to achieve my goals. Old habits to unlearn, new habits to master. Who am I surrounded by? People who influence me in a negative way. Positive people I will spend more time with. Who will keep me accountable? So this is an area for accountability partners, and how will they hold me accountable? And what can I delegate? Tasks to delegate, how many hours, who can help me, and what's the cost? And then this page is how create a new supportive story. Write down the reasons why you believe you're not yet successful. What is holding you back? What limiting beliefs are holding you back? Why do you believe that you are not good enough? Write down more empowering and supportive beliefs you want to be a part of your new life story. Take each of your unsupportive beliefs and make it into a positive one. And then chunk bigger goals into smaller goals. And there's a quote by Jim Rohn, which I just found out about him and have been watching his videos on YouTube, and they're absolutely fantastic. I cannot say enough about them. And this quote says, "You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight." So it's my why, lifetime goals, my rewards, my 3-year goals, my 1-year goals, my 3-month goals. And then this page says, make a mind map for your daily action plan. And there's another quote by John Dryden. "We first make our habits, and then our habits make us." So this is my 1-year goals, the strategy and the skills and mentors you need to achieve that. My daily focus, so your top 3 actions and your mindset. My daily feel-good plan and my daily habits. And then it starts to get into the actual planner itself. So I chose the dated planner. There are undated planners, but it says here, excuse me, goals for January. So you would write your main goal for the month here, and then reward if achieved, your feel-good intention, and some skills/habits to learn, and then desired goals this month. Why is it a goal, and your reward if achieved, and there's 3 spaces, and then top priority tasks to complete these desired outcomes. So you have 3 goals here, and then 3 sections here listed 1 through 5 for action steps to help you achieve them. And then this is your grid over here for ideas, gratitude, victories, notes, project flow chart, and your mind map. Now, obviously, I'm not going to be using January because we're already through there, but then it would go into the weekly layout. And over here you have goal of the week and your reward if it's achieved. This week's priority. You have top priority, errands and tasks to delegate. Up here you have your daily goal, your reward, and then the top 3 priorities. And I've never really been one for a time layout because the hours don't really work for me for my schedule. And, you know, this is the only thing that I wasn't sure about with this planner. But if need be, I can always change these with like little stickers or whatever. But it does give you a very large time frame. It goes from 5 a.m. all the way down to 10 p.m. And then down here at the bottom, there's little cups to keep track of your hydration. And, you know, I've tried hydration trackers before. And, you know, the stickers, I'll put them in my planner. And then I'm like, yeah, and I never fill them out. So hopefully this will help me keep better track of that. Then down on the bottom, you have your to-do list, which is your top priority, and then your priority, and then positive habit maker, Sunday through Saturday. You have gratitude, meditate, exercise, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra spaces to add your own. And again, over here, you have that grid layout for ideas, gratitude, victories, notes, project flow chart, and mind map. And then that just goes for the rest of the month. And then at the end of the month, and I think this is going to be really helpful to set your goals for the next month. It's a reflection for your month. Excuse me. So the more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Oprah Winfrey. And celebrate my top 10 achievements for the month. Close your eyes, visualize, and be grateful for each of your achievements this month. So what did I learn this month? The top 5 things. Distractions and mental blocks / fears, the top 5 for the month. How did I make myself feel good? The top 5 for the month. What did not happen and why? This is going to be a great thing, especially for me, to hold myself accountable, because I tend to have pretty lofty goals, like I want to do X, Y, and Z, and then it doesn't happen. So I set it again for the next week or the next month without actually sitting back and thinking, why didn't it happen? What can I do to change that? And then people I learned from and who inspired me, and what actions can I take to improve? And that goes with why didn't your goals happen? Now this circle up here says, was I in harmony? And it's got a scale, and it goes, there's a 5, 10, and it's career, finance, personal growth, health, family, relationships, social life, and attitude, which I'm sure there's instructions in here somewhere how to gauge that. And then there's total hours of exercise, total expenses, money saved, self-help, time spent with family, fun time, meditation, prayer, new habit, mentors, gratitude, visualization, and feeling good. Yeah, this is something I will have to look into, because I know that there are on the website videos and tips that go along with this planner, which I will, as I go through and do my plan with me videos, I will link those in my descriptions. And then on this page it says, what are the greatest insights that I have gained over the past month? How do I feel about my progress this month? How did I stay in the flow of allowing and enjoying the journey regardless of the outcome? What obstacles or fears did I encounter inside myself? What did I learn from watching my emotional vibration daily? What was the most common negative emotion? How did I accept, let go, and move up the emotional scale? Did I fully enjoy whatever I was doing this month? Was I really here, or was I just showing up? How can I be more present? And I think that's a big thing for a lot of people. They just go through the daily motions without really fully experiencing everything. And then you get two pages of ideas and notes. So I think this is going to be really good to help plan the next month goals and reassessing everything that was accomplished. And then it goes all the way to December. There's December. Okay, reflect on your month, ideas and notes. And then this is the same thing as the end of the month, but it's for the year. So top 10 achievements of the year. What did I learn this year? What were my 5 happiest empowering moments? What were the most challenging situations this year and how did I grow from them? What were my 5 biggest strengths and weaknesses this year? What are the greatest insights that I have gained over this past year? What little things did I enjoy the most during my day-to-day life? How did I love, give, or contribute this year to myself and others? What do I still want to release or let go of? What or who do I want to forgive? What am I most grateful for this year? For a more impactful and deeper reflection on all areas of life, use our free resource 101 questions to ask yourself before you start the new year. And then it gives you 8 questions to help you design your next year. And it says, create another impactful year by getting your next planner with a lifelong 20% discount at lawofattractionplanner.com/membership. And then you have a bunch. Oh man, there's a lot here. A lot of grid paper. Now this here, not the planner pages themselves, but these pages here, if I'm not mistaken, and I love how all the pages are numbered. These are supposed to be perforated, but I could be wrong, to come out. But we'll check that out. I wouldn't be pulling them out anyway, so there's actually quite a bit of extra paper here. Let's see. Page 212. And it goes all the way to page 259. So that's a good chunk of paper. And then you have how to use this planner. And it goes through step by step, everything. How to create a vision board, how to use this planner, and each page, so this is step 1, step 2, 3, step 3.1, step 3.2, step 4, step 4.1, step 5, step 6, and they all go along with the steps from the beginning here. And then it gives you little tips here on your monthly layout and then your weekly layout. So step 6.1, make a monthly action plan. Step 6.2, make a weekly action plan. And then, oh yeah, see, these pages are perforated here. Tips on better manifesting. And then this is the thing, I know it's probably kind of cheesy, but this is the thing I'm really kind of excited about, especially with this new adventure I'm on in network marketing. It's 20 places I love to visit, because now I'm actually going to be able to visit a lot of places that I have on my bucket list. And this is your world map. And then it gives you the 20 spaces to list. And then on this side, you have the United States, and then up here is Europe. And then there's a pocket here in the back. Now, the bookmark has the same color ribbons on it, which is nice. I don't think I would actually keep it in the book, though, just because I have these to use. On the back, it just gives you a 10-minute morning manifestation routine. And then track your progress. So that's a nice little thing there. And I'm going to put my stickers in this pocket in the back so I don't misplace them. I have a bunch of stickers in my other planner and things. So yeah, like I said, I'm really excited for this because I have been trying to find a planner that I can use specifically for myself and my personal development, because I use my Happy Planner for the house and the kids and work and that kind of thing. But this is going to help me not only have that planner for myself, it's something that I'm actually going to want to use because it's just so pretty. And it helps with each step and the pages and what to do to get there. And then with the extra materials that you can access on their website, I think I'm going to be hooked on this planner. So I will, like I said, I will be doing monthly. I'm not going to do it weekly because that would be a lot, but I'm planning to do monthly plan with me. And what I'll do is, since January is already done, I know what happened in January. I'm going to fill this out, and then I'll start with this for February in the next video. I really hope you enjoyed these videos, and as a special thank you, you can find the coupon codes in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and remember to click the bell so you get notified as soon as I upload any new videos. I hope you have a great day, a great week, and I'll see you next time.